Hi, welcome back to my channel, Arroyo JK Tinkering Division, and today I am doing a little bit of the update on my R2-D2, homemade R2-D2. I 3D printed the gears for the head to spin around, and I 3D printed a base, and where it holds the motor, and this is the gear that rotates the gears for the head. And I had to put it on this little piece of wood so I can attach it to the main frame, and here we go. Okay, now here we have it mounted, and I'm gonna go ahead and activate the motor. Well, it's not what I expected. It's running okay, but it's not as fast as we need it to go. This is just a motor that I took out of one of those do-it-yourself robot kits I have, but it's not going to cut it. The gears work perfect, but it's too slow, so I'm gonna have to redesign the system, use another motor, and go from there. Okay, with things how they are right now with the economy, I can't afford to be buying a lot of stuff, so I have to work with anything I have available to me in my garage or my back shed, anything that I've used in the past. And I found this power window motor, and I am going to try to figure out how to convert or use this to move that gear, that head gear. So this is just going to take some extreme tinkering to make this work. The next step I need to do is I'm going to take this motor. I have to measure the depth wide of this square, and use those measurements to help me 3D print an extra piece to put on that gear, and on the gear that moves the head gear. 3D print another one, and with those measurements. Okay, now to figure out how to put this thing onto here. I'm gonna have to take the measurements of this square, the depth of it, and then figure out a way to mount it there. I have an additional one right here that I printed out as well, and basically it's gonna have to go like this. So I'm going to have to redo this, go back to the printing software, and what I use is Tinkercad. It's free. Go back to the file of this gear. I'm going to have to add a round circle on this area, take the measurements of this, and just make the measurements of that into a extract or hole, and then put it on top, and then extract that. So I'll end up with a cylinder on top of this, and the whole square hole for that. And let's get that done on Tinkercad. back. After I redesigned that gear, printed it out in the 3D printer, this is the result. Now it has that raised cylinder with the engrave, or the area, that square that would fit onto this cap right here. So this is the difference. It's the first one, second one. The only difference between both is that I added this part. And there you go. Okay. Now we're going to add this up to the actual body itself. And I'm thinking of probably putting it right here. Okay, about right here. Now I gotta figure out how to mount it. That's it. That's it for now, and let's work on that. Alright, here I have the power window motor installed. This is a 3D printed gear. Okay, everything is set. Okay, so right there, and it's got right here in the bottom. It's got a screw right here, and I could put something here just to make it stronger, but maybe I'll do that later. Just gonna do a test run. So right now I got these two cables, and I'm just gonna put this together. Okay, let me try it with the dome on. Okay, let's do a test with the dome on. Okay, that's one side, and I had to change out the cable so I can rotate to the other direction. So it's working fine. It's not working real fast, but I don't need it to go real fast. It's just gonna rotate the dome left and right. I don't need to go real fast, so that's pretty good for now.